Andrew, you're on camera, Andrew. Say hi, everyone. This is my initial debut. See, I'm sitting in my bouncer and I'm happy. Maybe Mommy can learn how to use the video camera and get you centered. There you go. See, I have my hoodie on today. Say hi, Mimi and Papa. Hi, Tauntaun. Hi, Lori. Wow. Well, we just turned off the noise of the bouncer. Let's see how you do. You have anything to say? We got the hiccups. We got the hiccups, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Say bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Look at Andrew. Oh, he's smiling. This is in his hoodie. He's smiling. Did I like my bouncer? Uh-oh. What's up? What's going on, Andrew? Oh, you get sticking that big tongue out there, huh? You don't look very happy. What's wrong? What happened?